Hey guys, hope you are doing well and you enjoyed this green weekend, that altcoin pumping, Bitcoin pumping, but today Bitcoin is correcting a little bit before breaking to the next level. My name is Mike Denkler from CorionX and our education movement CryptoMinds Global. So I'm bringing you the most important crypto news, technical analysis, altcoin, NFT, DeFi gems to keep you updated and educated about the evolution of money and the evolution of the internet. So guys, smash those like, push the bell and notification, or subscribe to the channel if you haven't already done so. Smashing those like is helping out the YouTube algorithm, so appreciate all your likes. I should state that nothing in this video can be considered as a financial or investment advice, everything just for your education and entertainment purposes only. Always do your own research and make your decisions based on your research. So guys, as we see, Bitcoin is down 1.3%, just below 30,000 US dollar. It's consolidating. Ethereum is holding quite strongly, about 2,000 US dollar, almost trading around 2,100 US dollar, and that was the monthly winner, or the weekly winner was definitely Ethereum. But we see other altcoins are popping up like BNB, also ADA, Cardano, and other layer ones are doing well. Also Solana breakout last week. So we analyzed all these coins and we see Render, our favorite, and also Injective Protocol, DYDX, XRD, Rocket Pool are pumping today. So let's go and check out our favorite indicator, the Crypto Fear and Greed Index. Wow, we are at 69, so we are in the greed zone, and it's getting higher and higher as investor sentiment is getting better. Let's go and check out our first news. Bitcoin traders is this belief, not belief, but this belief as analyst predicts 30,000 BTC retest. Okay, so we are retesting 30,000 or even lower. Most still sitting on the sidelines with Bitcoin. We are going higher, much higher, according to Credible Crypto, and most still sitting on the sidelines, funding still relatively flat. This is this belief depicted on the chart. Being long still doesn't feel like a crowded trade yet, he added. So many sitting on the sidelines, but we see the trend reversal, and also this is the aggregated funding rate. So the funding rate is still low, so there is not too much interest longing Bitcoin because the funding rate is low, and as funding rate is getting higher, then we can see also price moving to north. BTC and ETH, nice ranges here to play. So 30,000 plus 2,000 key prices to hold for higher, in my opinion. Expecting a sweep at 29,600 as likely before. We will continue to the upper end according to Michael van den Poppe, and also Red Capital sees that they are convinced about upside continuation as the ultimate result, calling Bitcoin well positioned on the daily time frame. So this is a daily chart, and it is well positioned in the structure to the upside. So at over 33 million in profit addresses, thus neared their 38 million tallies from November. So now we are back and 39 or how much, yeah, 34 million Bitcoin addresses are in profits, and that was just 22 million when it was at the deepest levels. Unsurprisingly, we have seen some changes in wallet holding Bitcoin as we approached 30,000. Wallets holding 100 BTC plus, so a very significant drop of 200 virtually overnight. The increase we saw in December has now been reversed entirely. So balances on the 100 plus addresses dropped. So I think they bought here and then they sold, they distributed to the market, and this is how whales are playing their games. Further data shows 1,000 BTC plus wallets numbers remaining steadily through the return to 30,000. So this is 1,000 Bitcoin plus wallets are decreasing, but not too much, and holding steadily in the past few months. So let's go and check our next news. What a bull with golden horn. The rise of Bitcoin continues. Trader predicts 60 to 70,000 range after consolidation. So after consolidation, okay, so we are hovering around 30,000, anticipating the next move for Bitcoin. So this is a similar structure, and also MACD bearish cross, MACD bullish cross. So we see the MACD indicator that made this bullish cross, and we see similarity, and this was shared on a 3-day chart, and this is how he expects Bitcoin to continue from here. So Adam Back also is saying that Bitcoin increased by approximately 70%, rising from 16,600 to 28,000. So for Back, if this growth rate were to continue, Bitcoin's price could reach 48,000 by June, 82,000 by September, and a staggering 140,000 by December. However, if the goal is to reach a price of 100,000 by the end of the year, the growth rate would need to fall from 70,000 to 53,000 for the second, third, and fourth quarters of the year. Risk looms in the near term for BTC. Yeah, so the max pain point of 29,000 US dollar could avert downward pressure on BTC's price as the option's expiry. So the option expiry can push the price down, and actually Bitcoin to drop further towards to 28,300 support level if this option expiry will bring some selling pressure. So next piece of news is 10 trillion market cap for Bitcoin can absolutely happen, says macro guru Dan Tapiero. Here is why. So somewhere between 5 to 8 trillion. Do I think it could go to a 10 trillion? Sure, absolutely. It absolutely can go to 10 trillion. I have been saying the same thing for a while, and I think 300 to 500,000 US dollar is a good solid place to, given the value of other assets stored in the world. My original thought was the space was going to go to 10 trillion in value. That's from 300 billion. It was a 30x in 10 years. So 30x in 10 years. 30x in 10 years, guys, insane. I think that's going to be wrong now. I think the space is probably going to go much higher than just 10 trillion because it's starting and to encompass everything, right? It's not just money, store of value, programmable contracts, DeFi, decentralized finance, NFTs, stablecoins. It's everything. So everything is going and evolving. So guys, that was the news in March, but the 14 trillion earthquake, Fidelity and BlackRock are quietly laying the groundwork for the next Bitcoin, Ethereum and crypto price bull run. What does that mean? That they started quietly accumulating and providing some services to clients. So at BlackRock, we continue to explore the digital asset ecosystem, especially areas most relevant to our clients, such as permissioned blockchains and tokenization of stocks and bonds. Very interesting developments are happening in the digital asset space. Okay. Also, they made a deal with Coinbase, so that is why we can expect something happen. We are about a year away from Bitcoin's next halving. Alex Thorn, Galaxy's head of research, said in emailed comments, historically these have been bullish events for the digital assets. So guys, you know that BlackRock is one of the biggest asset manager in the world, managing the billions, trillions of dollars. So Brazil president expresses support for BRICS currency, calls for replacement to dollar in global trade report. So why can't an institution like the BRICS Bank have a currency to finance trade relations between Brazil and China, between Brazil and all other BRICS countries? Who decided that the dollar was the trade currency after the end of the gold parity? The advantage is to avoid the straitjacket imposed by necessarily having trade operations settled in a currency of a country not involved in the transaction. Yes, so I can agree. A number of additional nations, including Saudi Arabia, Argentina, Iran, Indonesia, Turkey, and Egypt, have reportedly expressed interest in joining the economic alliance. Cool. Next, Elon Musk reportedly plans AR startup to rival ChatGPT maker OpenAI. Okay, so competition is on. In the months ahead, we will use AI to detect and highlight manipulation of public opinion on this platform. Oh, we will see that who is manipulating what. Cool. Cool. Generative AI apps with Amazon Bedrock. So everybody's using Amazon Bedrock initiative will allow AWS users to build generative AI from foundational models. So guys, everybody is building AI things, so that's quite interesting. Let's go and check out the Bitcoin chart. Let's see the weekly. So after consolidation last week, Bitcoin broke out and we have seen a nice weekly candle, and now consolidating at these 30,000 US dollar levels. And as if we are looking at the daily chart, we see that a kind of bull flag is forming here, and we are awaiting this bull flag to break out. So this will our next trade on Bitcoin. Ethereum broke out really nicely. We can see on the 4-hourly that Ethereum movement happened with this bull flag. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 4. So 4 bull flag, and also the 4th bull flag broke out and now retesting. So that's a good time yeah, for these buyings. So guys, let's go and check out my Twitter feed. Definitely follow me at MIKLOS on Twitter, and also follow at Corean platform. Follow Laserpunk Gods, our NFT launchpad project. We are coming out hopefully this year. Now we are building the social media engagement and then doing some partnership. So definitely check out tweet. This is a nice tweet about the Ethereum staking, unlock and withdrawals, that's what's happening, and also the educational content that CorionX put there, and Ethereum long that we are making here. So guys, that's it for today, and don't forget to go to PancakeSwap, provide some liquidity in CorionX BNB pair, and lock up your LPs on our farm and earn a juicy APRs more than 80%. With this, you can make extra rewards here. Use CorionX BNB farm because we will close CorionX BUSD soon. So guys, that's it. Hope you enjoyed. Hope you learned something. Watch out for charts. I expect some consolidation this week, then further continuation, and we will see other altcoins just popping up. So smash those like, push the bell, and see you in the next video. Bye bye.